What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Seems like every time I get somewhere on the wide body, like I start making progress, seems like something else comes up that prevents me from continuing progress. So we have to move out of our current place. The landlord is selling our house that we were renting, so we have to move to a new place. Unfortunately, the new place, we won't get the garage for a couple months, so I won't have a garage for the next like 2-3 months until the landlord moves all their storage crap out of there. So in that time, I might be able to find another garage that I can rent and move my stuff there and actually use it to continue working on the wide body stuff, or I'll have to figure out another plan. Driven Calgary show is coming up in May. Probably the wide body will not be on the car for then. It'll be just, I guess, just as it is now. The housing market in Calgary right now is like insane. Like originally I wanted to buy something this year, but it's just so crazy. And I'm sure it's probably been going up other places too, but at least in Calgary right now, it's like houses that used to be 500,000, which is a lot, are selling over $100,000 above their asking price. It's like, so all these people who can apparently afford to buy these houses crazy high are buying them, and it seems like it's driving the whole rental market up too. So like the same place that we have now, we're basically downgrading and paying the same amount of rent because everything's gone up like 35%. So that really sucks, but we'll have to deal with it for another year while we're renting. And hopefully after another year I can actually buy a place and get a sweet garage and get all that set up. But for now, I figured I'd give you guys kind of a update video, at least go through some of our move, because it's already been like a month and a half, probably close to 2 months since I posted the last wide body video when I was designing it. The designs are pretty much done. It's just a matter of transferring it over and 3D printing everything, which I haven't been able to do yet. Way behind schedule, as usual. And I wanted to explain to you guys why it's taking me so damn long to do this freaking wide body. So I'll show you guys some of our move. We're gonna clean up the place first. It's hardwood floors, so we're gonna go over it with like a hardwood polish and clean up all the floors so that it's at least a little bit of a nicer space for us to be in. And this thing is gonna have to sit in the driveway outside and not have a home inside a garage for a while, but it should be okay. At least it's pretty much, summer is right around the corner now, so that's good. But still sucks that I'll have to have it outside, and I have so much work ahead of me. Seems like over the winter this year, I can't even really get it, but it seems like not only do I have a coolant leak now, but I also have what looks like an oil leak, and it looks like my friggin' gas tank is leaking. I don't know about this thing. So yeah, I'll probably throw in some time lapses of moving and maybe give you guys a couple updates throughout the day. Well, it's gonna be over the next week, kind of, because the place it's not too far from our current place, so we got to move our stuff over there. But it's just like the cleanup of that place before we move stuff in, and then it's the cleanup of this place before we do the walkout so that we get our damage deposit back. Fun stuff. My window is down. But the snow stays. Oh. We're gonna use this hardwood polish stuff just to clean it up a little bit more before we move in. And pretty easy, it's just like a wax. You literally just use like this microfiber cloth to apply it on the floor. So we're gonna do that. All right, guys, back at the main place. Just letting that hardwood polish cure overnight. They say like for the recommended process, you're supposed to let it cure for 24 hours before any heavy traffic or like walking over it or whatever. So we'll just let it dry until tomorrow, and then we'll actually continue with the move, start moving stuff in. But for now, I'm gonna take the car out and probably go for a bit of a cruise, and we'll see how that goes. So yeah. Oh, but she is dead. Okay, gonna have to boost her up. Every light is on that you can imagine, and we Gucci. Probably not. Hopefully by the end of the season, but for sure not by driven.
It's the first time I've seen your car with this wrap line. I only seen it in picture.
Really?
Yeah, bro.
I guess it was like the end of the season.
Yeah. I didn't go to. I wasn't there last custom takeout.
Yeah. That was even before I had the wheels white, so it wasn't really even looking complete.
How easy is it to keep it clean, bro? The wheels?
Well, they're like the easiest wheels to clean because they're only 3 spoke. But I'm gonna pull in next to you.
Yeah.
go back home with my puddle of coolant underneath my car. Like, I was waiting for the crash. Well, ended up coming across a little small meet, and then now just came over to Max Bell. Gonna take a couple pictures and then head back home.
It's like I follow you.
Hello. Yeah. Taking the car over to the new place now, where it can no longer sit in the garage for the next couple months, but it'll be okay. And there's so many freaking rocks on the ground. What the hell? Alright guys, well that's pretty much it. Everything's all moved in. Obviously we still have things left to unpack, but for the most part everything's done now. Got my office gaming room all set up, and we'll give you guys one last final look. So don't mind the mess of everything that still needs to be unpacked and set up. Alright guys, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification button to catch up on new videos as they come out. And we'll continue with car stuff on the next one. Keep on moving on. Keep grinding. Keep living. Keep doing your thing. Sheesh. Alright, goodbye.